back to another video here in Korea. This is part 2 of the Los Angeles to Vietnam trip. As you guys can see, we are here at the gate in Korea. This is my second flight on Asiana Airlines to Hanoi. As you guys can see outside the window, it's on an Airbus A350. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's a beautiful looking aircraft out there. Sadly, I do not have a window seat on this flight, so I'm either going to be sitting in the middle seat or an aisle. So I'm going to see if on this flight I have some nice passengers to try and record the wing on the outside for me. So anyways, yeah, this is what we're flying today. Airbus A350. It's an absolutely beautiful aircraft. Look at that. Like I can't believe we're flying on an A350 today. That looks like an awesome plane to fly on. And look at those sunshades on the cockpit too. That looks sharp. So our flight's delayed, as you can see. We were supposed to depart at 7:43 already, but as you can see, it's now at 8:20, and instead of getting into Vietnam at like 10 something, we're now getting in at like 11:15. So anyways, I'm gonna let you know if the delay gets any worse or not. But yeah, second flight of the day is delayed. Alright guys, so now we're on the plane. This is the A350-900. As you can see, it's got the same size tray table as the A380. Of course, different safety pamphlet, but everything's pretty much the same. This is the A350-900 that we're flying on today. Yep. It's pretty much got everything, just like any other Asiana Airlines flight. It's got blanket branded as Asiana Airlines and a pillow, of course. Alright. And of course the same seatback entertainment screen as usual.
Alliance, Asiana 항공과 함께 즐겁고 편안한 여행 되시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다. Good evening passengers. This is Captain Lee from Flydeck. Welcome aboard Asiana Airlines, a member Star Alliance, bound for Hanoi Noi International Airport. Thank you and enjoy the flight.
이 비행기의 비상용 장비와 비상 탈출에 대해 안내 말씀드리겠습니다. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to familiarize you with the emergency equipment and emergency evacuation of this aircraft. 휴대수화물은 머리는 선반이나 앞좌석 밑에 보관해 주시기 바랍니다. All carry-on baggage should be stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. 좌석 벨트는 양쪽 고리를 끼워 몸에 맞게 조이시고 풀 때는 뚜껑을 들어 당겨주십시오. 또한 비행 중 좌석 벨트 착용 표시들이 켜져 있는 동안에는 좌석 벨트를 계속 착용해 주시기 바랍니다. To fasten the seat belt, insert the metal clip into the buckle and pull the loose end to tighten. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Also, please fasten your seat belt when the seat belt sign is on. 이 착륙 전에는 좌석 등받침을 원위치로 세워주시고 좌석 앞 테이블은 접어주시기 바랍니다. Please return your seat back and tray table to the upright position before takeoff and landing. 스마트폰을 제외한 휴대전화는 항공기 출입구가 열려 있거나 착륙 후 승무원의 별도 안내가 있을 경우 사용하실 수 있습니다. The use of cell phones is permitted when the main cabin door is open and following the cabin crew's instructions after landing. 비행 모드의 스마트폰, PDA, 태블릿 PC 등의 전자기기는 전구간 사용이 가능합니다. 다만 이착륙 시 사용 가능한 전자기기는 손에 쥐고 사용할 수 있거나 좌석 앞 주머니 속에 보관할 수 있는 크기인 경우에 사용이 가능합니다. 좌석 앞 주머니에 보관할 수 없는 크기의 전자기기는 이착륙 시 선반이나 가방에 넣어 좌석 밑에 보관해 두시기 바랍니다. 또한 기장의 요청에 따라 전자기기 사용이 제한될 수 있으니 승무원의 안내에 따라주시기 바랍니다. The use of laptop computers, tablet PCs, and smartphones with flight mode is permitted for the duration of the flight. In some cases, electronic devices may be prohibited due to flight conditions or size limitations. Please follow the cabin crew's instructions at all times. 전자기기가 좌석 사이에 끼어 파손되거나 화재의 원인이 될 수 있으니 주의하시기 바랍니다. Please note, to avoid damage and the risk of in-flight fire, avoid placing cell phones near the seat back and armrests. 기내 감압 시에는 선반 속에 있는 산소 마스크가 내려옵니다. 이때 산소 마스크를 앞으로 잡아당겨 호흡을 몇 번 하신 다음 끈을 머리에 맞게 조여주십시오. 마스크는 보호자가 먼저 착용하신 후 유아를 착용시켜 주시기 바랍니다. In case of cabin decompression, oxygen masks will drop. Hold the mask and cover your nose and mouth with the mask, then adjust the elastic strap. If you're traveling with a child, put your mask on first, then help the child. 바다에 내렸을 때 사용하는 구명복은 일반석과 비즈니스 클래스 모두 좌석 밑에 있습니다. Emergency life vests for an emergency water landing are stowed under the seats in economy class and business class. 구명복은 머리 위에서부터 입으시고 끈을 허리에 감아 고리에 끼워 조여주시기 바랍니다. To put the vest on, slip it over your head. Take the strap and put it around your waist, then fasten. 붉은색 손잡이를 당기면 부풀어지며 충분히 부풀지 않을 때는 고무관을 풀어주십시오. To inflate the vest, pull down on the red tabs. For more air, blow into the tube of the vest. 구명복은 탈출 직전 비상구 앞에서 부풀려 주시기 바랍니다. Inflate the vest just before exiting the aircraft. 이 항공기에는 모두 8곳의 비상구가 있습니다. 비상 탈출 시에는 승무원의 안내에 따라 가까운 비상구로 신속히 탈출하시기 바랍니다. 비상 탈출 시 모든 불이 꺼질 수 있으며 이때는 복도 바닥에 켜지는 비상등을 따라 탈출하시기 바랍니다. There are 8 exits on this aircraft. In case of an emergency evacuation, please follow the emergency lights in the cabin to evacuate the aircraft. 바다에 내렸을 때는 8정의 구명정이 펼쳐집니다. When landing on water, 8 slide rafts will be inflated. 기내에 부착되어 있는 각종 안내판을 확인하시고 기내와 화장실에서는 금연해 주시기 바랍니다. Please take a moment to review the information signs and placards located in the aircraft. Smoking in the cabin and lavatories is not allowed at any time. 자세한 내용은 좌석 앞 주머니 속에 안내서를 참고하시기 바랍니다. For more information, please review the safety information card in your seat pocket. 아름다운 사람들 아시아나와 함께 편안한 여행 되시기 바랍니다. We hope you enjoy your flight with Asiana Airlines. Thank you.
Alright guys, so viewing the seatback entertainment, it's pretty much the same as the A380 that took me here to Korea. Also, just to let you guys know, we just got delayed again for yet another 10 minutes. So we just got delayed by 10 more minutes than when we were supposed to depart. We were supposed to depart at 8:20 already, as you can see. Right now, hold on, let's wait for the clock to show back up. It's, oh wait, never mind. Hold on, no, not that one. There you go. See, local time is currently 8:31 right now. So yeah, we just got delayed another 10 minutes because of something to do with the aircraft. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so we just finally pushed back from the gate. Yeah, it's been quite a delay. So we just finally started pushing back from the gate. Now it's currently like 8:40 something right now p.m. in Korea. Anyways, we're on our way to Vietnam right now, so I will go ahead and then see you guys once we get in the air. Alright guys, flight number 2 heading to Vietnam. This is my meal. As you can see, it is rice with beef with rice. As you guys can see, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be bibimbap or something, but yeah, I'm gonna try this out. That's really good. This is for sure a 10 out of 10. Best meal I've ever had so far. Look at that. It looks super good. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this and I'll see you once I'm in Vietnam. And as you guys can also see, they also gave me a bread roll along with some sort of cake or something, brownie looking thing, and a salad. Alright guys, so next thing I'm gonna try on board is this chocolate crumble cake. As you can see, it looks delicious. Yeah, it's pretty good. Wow. This crumble cake is pretty good. 10 out of 10. This one thing makes up for all main courses. It's like the best dessert I've had on any airline out there. Yeah, this crumble cake is really good. This is a solid 10 out of 10 for sure. Alright, I'm gonna finish this up. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's been 48 minutes since we departed South Korea. Now we just have about, like, I guess 3 hours and like what, like maybe 50 minutes until, oh yeah, 3 hours and 47 minutes now until we reach Hanoi. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep on this Airbus A350, and the A350 actually has as much room as the A380 as well. So the A350 has a nice amount of leg room, and I can stretch all the way out. Only difference is that I know you can't see this right now with the tray table underneath, but underneath this one compared to the A380, there's no footrest, so that's one thing that's different. But everything else just looks pretty much the same. So anyways, yes, now I'm gonna get some sleep since we still have about 3 more hours left to go to Vietnam. So I will see you once I wake up. guys, I just got off the plane here in Hanoi, Vietnam. As you guys saw at the end, I got the passenger that was sitting next to me to record the landing, which was good. So I'm glad I caught the landing of the A350. So anyways, I will see you all in the next Vietnam videos. See you guys later.